Hello students, today we will be dealing with the fifth topic, that is decimal, or it is also called as BCD adder. Till here we have studied the topics like definition of combinational circuit, analysis and design procedure. Then we have studied a half adder and the full adder. This is the fifth topic where we are dealing with one of the types of adder called decimal or BCD adder. BCD is nothing but binary coded decimal. So we'll see what is this BCD adder. So coming to the BCD adder, it is one of the types of decimal numbers, or it is one of the type of numbers, like how we have studied binary numbers, decimal numbers. Similarly, it is also a type of a number where BCD means binary coded decimal. It means that the values are from 0 to 9. The values are from 0 to 9. That is, only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are valid. 10 is not valid here. So 0 to 9, again 0 to 9, the cycle continues here. If you go to the slide here, the digital system handles the decimal number in the form of binary coded decimal numbers. What is this BCD adder? Basically, BCD adder is a circuit that adds two BCD digits and produces a sum digit also in BCD. Means here, we came to know what is BCD. BCD is nothing from 0 to 9. If you consider binary, in binary how we are going to represent 0? It is nothing but 0, 0, 0, 0. Again in binary how we are going to represent 9? 1, 0, 0, 1. So BCD is nothing but 0 to 9. Adder is nothing but how we have studied similarly half adder and full adder here. Full adder. Similarly here also we are dealing with two types of, here also we are adding two binary digits, that is from, if you consider 0 to 9, we have two binary digits we need to add here. The result what we'll get here, even that should be in BCD. The rule is that here, consider two binary digits, BCD digits. If I add these two BCD digits, the result also should be in BCD digits. So coming to the third point here, BCD numbers use 10 digits, that is 0 to 9, which is represented in the binary form as 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 0, 0, 1, that is 0 to 9. Considering the example here, there is something 5 to 6 in BCD is represented as. Coming to 5, how we are going to represent 5? 0, 1, 0, 1 is nothing but 5. Coming to 2, 0, 0, 1, 0. Coming to 6, how it is represented 6? 0, 1, 1, 0. So this is nothing but BCD. Coming to another point, you may have your doubt, why actually for 4 digits have taken like 0, 1, 0, 1. Why they have taken 4 instead of 3? Because here BCD means 0 to 9. How we are going to represent 9? 1, 0, 0, 1 is nothing but 9. So compulsory 4 variables we must take here. So it is 0, 1, 0, 1 for 5, 0, 0, 1, 0 for 2, 6 is 0, 1, 1, 0. If they give 8, it will be 1, 0, 0, 0. If they give 9, 1, 0, 0, 1. If they give 10, it is not valid in our BCD. So coming to the note here, BCD cannot be greater than 9. So BCD, it cannot be greater than 9. 0 to 9, again 0 to 9, so the cycle continues here. So this is about BCD adder. It is nothing but a circuit that adds two BCD digits and produces a sum, that is also BCD digit. Coming to the next, we have three cases in the BCD addition. So there are three cases in the BCD addition. So coming to the first case, if the sum is equal to 9 or less than 9. This is a condition where if the sum is equal to 9 or if it is less than 9 with carry 0. With carry 0. So let's consider here addition of 3 and 6 in BCD. That is, we need to add 3 plus 6. Coming to a normal addition here, if you go with 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. If you go to the binary here, 0, 1, 1, 0 is 6, that is BCD for 6. 3, how we are going to represent 3? It is 0, 0, 1, 1 is nothing but 3. That is BCD for 3. Finally, if you add here, you need to start from left side addition. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 0 carries 1. If you know half adder and full adder, you will come to know. What is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 is 0 carries 1. Again in the third, 1, 0, 1 plus 0, and there is also carry 1. That is 0, 1. Last will be 1. So we will be getting what? 1, 0, 0, 1. What is 1, 0, 0, 1? It is nothing but a 9 in our binary, or it is BCD for a 9. We have got the result directly here. What is our condition? Sum, if it is equal to 9 or less than 9. Here we have got the sum equal to 9. So there is no problem. Directly we are going to get the result. Coming to a slide here, the addition is carried out as a normal binary addition. Yes, here addition, how we are going to do? Normal binary addition, how we have done in half subtractor, full subtractor, half adder, full adder. Normal addition is done here, and sum is equal to 1001, that is 9, which is BCD code for 9. So this is first case where we are going to get directly the results. Coming to a second case and third case, little bit you need to concentrate here. In the second case, if sum is greater than 9 with carry 0. Earlier in the case 1 what we have studied, sum is equal to 9 or it is less than 9. If it is equal or less than 9, there is no problem. Whereas here, if sum is greater than 9 with carry 0, what we have to do? Consider now here the example 0 and 8 in BCD. 0 and 8 in BCD. Sorry, consider here 6 and 8 in BCD. So 6 plus 8 is nothing but what here? 14. 6 plus 8 is nothing but 14 as we do general addition. If you consider here binary, 6 is represented as 0, 1, 1, 0. 8 is represented as 1, 0, 0, 0. So if I add these two numbers, start from the left side. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Again 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. That is directly we got a result. That is, we don't have carry as 1 here. So I have left something blank and showed an arrow mark telling that here carry is 0. If you notice here and our heading, sum is greater than 9 with carry 0. We don't have here carry. If we don't have any carry, it means it is 0. It is 0. Now we have got the result as 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, 1, 1, 1 as 0. But this is invalid BCD number. We can't represent this in our BCD. So, for this problem, here we need to add, if you read the slide here, the sum 1110 is invalid in BCD number because it is greater than 9. Yes, here it is greater than 9. Always remember our BCD should be below 9 or 9. It should not be greater than 9. So here, since here 14 is greater than 9, so it is invalid BCD number. So what we need to do here? See here. The sum 1110 is invalid BCD number because it is greater than 9. So we need to add 6, binary 6, which is represented as 0110 to solve this problem. Since here 14 is greater than 9, we need to add here 6. So coming to the operation here, we'll see how we are going to get a solution here. 6 plus 8 is 14, as usual decimal. 6 is represented as 0110, that is BCD for 6, and 1000 BCD for 8. If I add this, again I get an invalid BCD number 1110. For this, what they have told, we need to add a 6. 0110, that is add 6 for correction. Now, start from a left side, addition. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1 is nothing but what? It is 0, carry 1. Next, 1 plus 1 plus 1, I got a 1, again a carry 1. So, 1 plus 0 carry is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, 1. So, 1 will be remaining here. 1 will be in the last side we are going to get a carry as 1 and remaining all 3 as 0. So we got a BCD. This is 1, this is 4. So the BCD number should always be less than 9. So we need to add a value called 6 here. So this is the case 2, that is sum greater than 9 with carry 0. Coming to a case 3, sum greater than 9 with carry 1. What we need to do? Consider here addition of two numbers 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. If I take a binary, 8 is represented as 1 0 0 0. 9 is represented as 1 0 0 1. If I add these two numbers, I get 0 plus 1. Always start from left side. Always start from left side of addition. Start adding. So 0 plus 1 1. 0 plus 0 0. Again 0 plus 0 0. 1 plus 1 is nothing but what? It is 0. Carry is 1. Now I got what? I have shown an arrow mark as here carry is 1. Here carry is 1. So since here carry is 1 and here it is greater than 17 is greater than 9. So what we need to do? We need to add 6 here again. So 8 plus 9, 17. 1 0 0 is 8. Then 1 0 0 1 BCD for 9. I have got a result what here? According to my solution, I have got 1 0 0 0. Again 1 which is carry. Remaining is I have added 0 for my convenience. Plus add 6 for addition. From the left side you need to add 6. 0 1 1 0. Remaining 4 put the value as zeros. Now go on addition here. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So what I have got? First 4 and second 4 digits. First 4 it represents 1. Second 4 it represents 17. So I got 1 and 7 here. 1 and 7. This is the BCD for 17. If you notice here, this is a case 1. I'm going to repeat again. This is a case 1 where sum is equal to 9 or less than 9. In that case, we don't have any problem. Just add two binary numbers, finish off the case. Coming to a second case where sum is greater than 9 with carry 0. For example, here we have got a result as 14. But 14 is invalid in BCD. So what we need to do? We need to add a value called as a 6. So I get separately 1 as separate, 4 as separate. Next, similarly here, sum is greater than 9 with carry 1. Here I have got a carry here. Similarly here also I need to add a value called as a 6. So that I'll be getting 17 result as 1 as separate, 7 as separate. Instead of representing 14 or 17 individually, so in one binary number, just represent it as an individual 1 and 7. So it will be valid in our BCD numbers. So these are the three important cases which you need to remember. So we'll go with the steps of BCD addition. Till now what we have done. So going through these three cases of BCD addition, we can summarize the BCD addition as: first, as usual, add two BCD numbers using ordinary binary addition. If 4-bit sum is equal to less than 9, no correction is needed. Yes, if the sum is equal to or less than 9, no correction is needed. Keep it as it is. The sum is in proper BCD form. Yes. Third point. If the 4th-bit sum is greater than 9. Now, condition is if the sum is greater than 9 or if carry is generated, what I have to do? It is invalid. It is invalid. Consider it to be invalid. If sum is greater than 9, just consider it to be invalid. Whether carry is 0 or whether carry is 1, consider it to be invalid. So, fourth point. So, to correct this invalid sum, add 6. 0, 1, 1, 0 is nothing but 6. 2 is nothing but binary here. 0, 1, 1, 0, 2 is their base. Base 2 is binary. So, 0, 1, 1, 0 in binary is nothing but 6 here. So, add 6 to the 4-bit sum. We'll be getting a carry of the higher order BCD digit. So these are the 4 important steps. First is normally go on addition of BCD numbers. Second is you can go if the sum is less than 9, no correction is required. If sum is greater than 9, then some correction is invalid. Whatever may be the carry, whether carry may be 0 or it may be 1. If it is greater than 9, just it is invalid. So to correct this, we need to add a value called as a 6, and then we are going to get a BCD, appropriate BCD digit. So to implement this, implementation means here about logic diagram. What we require? We require 4-bit binary adder for initial addition. Why we are going to require here 4-bit binary adder for initial addition? Because here we need to add here 4 numbers. For example, if you consider the first example, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. How 6 is represented? 0, 1, 1, 0. 0, 1, 1, 0 is nothing but 4. So I need to add 4. I need to get here 4-bit binary adder for initial addition. Next, logic diagram to detect. Then we require some logic circuit to detect whether the sum is greater than 9. If it is less than 9, no problem. But if it is greater than 9, I need to add a 6. Next, one more 4-bit adder to add 6 in the sum if sum is greater than 9 or carry is 1. So I require 2 binary adders, one for starting addition and one for 6, generation of a 6 value. And we have a logic circuit to detect sum is greater than 9. So this is the truth table for BCD. As you consider normal 4 variable, first you put on the normal 4 variable BCD number. Starting y is 0, initially y is 0. 0, 0, 0, 0 is 0. It will be 0 until 9. If you notice 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. It will be 0 until 9. And then the cycle continues here. It will be 0 until 9 here. 0, 1. Since BCD is from 0 to 9. So it will be 0 from 0 to 9. And rest will be 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is the K-map. If you consider, here I have got the K-map y, I have got some result. I have got y as a result. If you take the y as consideration here, consider here a K-map where the results of a y, and here you will be getting 2 quads. So y will be S3, S2 plus S3 and S1. Coming to the last slide, that is block diagram of a BCD adder here. As I have told you, first you need to consider 2 binary adders, 4-bit binary adders. As you see here, first 4-bit binary adder A0, A1, A2 and A3. Then we have B0, B1, B2 and B3. So these are the 2 binary numbers which we need to add starting. And next we have something called as a C in and C out. Okay, if you, for example, after adding these 2 numbers, imagine this is less than or equal to 9. Then we don't have any carry. The output of a C out will be 0. The output of a C out will be 0. So once the output of a C out is 0, the final result we are going to get. For example, think we are going to get a carry. That is C in. At the top is nothing but carry, whether it is 0 or whether it is 1. Then C out result will be 1, which means that a carry is generated. Now I need to add a 6. So now I need to add a 6. How we are going to get a 6 here? From lower 4-bit binary digit, we are going to get a value called as a 6. So 6 is being added here. So middle, whatever the AND gate and the OR gate you are seeing, that is nothing but y is equal to S3 S2 plus S3 S1. So that is y is equal to S3 S2 and S3 and S1. Basically here we have taken a gate here. So this gate is nothing but here, which is used to detect whether sum is greater than 9. If it is greater than 9, add a value called as a 6. So coming to the lower bit, C in, lower 4-bit binary adder, we have something called as a C in. C in, it is connected to ground, neglect it, and C out, it is also ignored here for time being. So this is the end of the document. Further videos I'll be sending it. Thank you.